What's up, guys? And today we're playing Animal Hospital, whatever it's called. So let's begin. No, I don't want to play with you. Stop. I've heard this is a good game, so I thought, why not give it a try? So let's begin. Right, so what I know is that we have to check in patients, coffee, and help the patients. And there's anomalies too, so you should probably know it. You probably know this game anyway. A lot of people have been playing it. It's a famous game. It's pretty fun. You should try it. I might not talk very much because I'm not a very good person. I'm not very good at talking. I'm not a very good person. I'm just gonna help this guy. I'm following. Back your head, 6 boy. You need some shampoo and conditioner on that boy. Ignore any noise in the background. That's just my feeling. Because at this point, I don't have a line. Of course. Oh, no, I need to go over here. Please. I'm looking here. The arrows. Sorry if my voice sounds so quiet. I don't have the best recording equipment. But I can do it. Ow. And I've got to let him heal. I know, I'm coming. I probably should check the pictures, but oh well. 66. Why when you speak into like cameras, why does your voice go high pitch? Someone needs to tell me that. I don't need coffee. What room is this going in? Sorry. That's just not my problem. Problem not my problem. This is the first time I've ever spoke on camera, so don't judge me, please. Please. I might end up redoing this video so I can be a bit better, but sucks to suck. Anyway. But turn up the volume. I can't really hear it. I might hear me a lot worse now, so you know. I'm just gonna cut that one, never mind. Advice. Let me finish reading, will ya? I feel. Where you going, boy? Where you going, buddy? Where you going? 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 I wanna go in. Wait, no, there is service. I'm just going up though, I don't want to get attacked. Nice. Dude. I like it's like shift 8. And I might stop. Alright, they can wait. What mess, bro? Why don't you decide to go in 1, 2, 3 or 4, bro? They're the closest ones. Why are you walking 50,000 meters this way? Can't believe it's got wind up really hard. Just do all the noise of windows. Oh yeah, they are windows. Never mind. Probably fix it. Oh, what do you guys think of whatever it's called? The Amazing Digital Circus episode 9. I think it's really good, but I can't believe Jack. Actually, I won't say anything just in case someone's not seen it yet, because I don't want to be that one person that's like, oh, this happened, and this happened, and this happened. Yeah, I don't want to be that type of guy. Oh yeah, I have someone over there. Calm down, kid. You're stressing me out. Oh, you look good. Yeah. I say the women will like you, but you're good. Fine, I'll try to heal you, I guess. There's nothing to heal. You couldn't walk slower. But I could run. No. I could walk faster than you, bro. Oh yeah, 5. No. I might take it down to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a face reveal. Yeah. So if I get 1,000 subs, you guys will see my face. But actually, no. It's actually never mind. I'd rather keep my face secret for now. Never mind. Unless you guys want a face reveal, then you know I can make that happen. Oh my gosh, that room is gonna be a death of me, bro. What do you want? Do you look good? I mean, it's alright, I guess. Okay, through the cameras, because the last time I didn't do that, and the person looks very, not normal. I've only been recording for 8 minutes. Feels like it's been like 50 years, bro. Oh, this is the first time I'm doing this game. Whatever he said. I'm so dumb. I'm thinking of like making a Minecraft series. Not hardcore, I'm not that really good. Oh yeah, I forgot I meant to help the patients. I'm not that good at Minecraft, so that I could do hardcore. Sorry. I mean, could I give it eye drops? Whatever called it. Nice, lad. Nice. I'm staring directly at it and it's not even scaring me. Sucker. Like this one. Okay, boss, what's in the suitcase? Briefcase. Yeah, briefcase. What's in the briefcase? I'm about to get paid. Thank you, that'll help. That best. But why are you pooping everywhere? You kind of twitched, my friend. There you go. Room 3, I need, 5. Oh, I forgot about room 5. Hello. Sorry. Are you a person? Let me put this to the charging area. Right, I'm gonna go for these guys because they might have. Look. I heard on YouTube that he likes maple syrup. Is that nice? Nice and spicy. Wait. Maple syrup isn't spicy. If you're Canadian, let me know. Maple syrup's spicy, you know. I could go downstairs and test it. But it's definitely not. Medikit. Eye drops. Medicine. Medicine. Eye drops. Medikit. Eye cough bandages. Eye cough. Bandage. Right, let's go to the front because I can't bear that bell ring anymore. No problem. Not trying to be rude, but I feel like you're an anomaly. Kill them. Let's inspect that photo shell. No, sorry, bud. Bye, pal. What fruit or vegetable is yellow? Banana. Sorry, I'm recording this video at night. Bro, your name should be Banana. Oh, I've just been to a party, so I've been dancing. And people like stop pooping all over the floor. You look tired, bro. You want some coffee? Him and Michael Jackson. Sorry, buddy, but you can't enter through there. Also, you were tired. Pat pat. I'm here. I tried to give the creepy guy some drink, okay? Calm down. Also, that's why you better look wrong. Don't look at the ceiling, the roof, whatever you want to call it. Just spat on me. Herbs and thermometer. Thermometer. Herbs. Oh yeah, I'm going to. Write in the comments what videos you think I should try and do. Medicine, thermometer, medicine, thermometer, and eye drops. You look kid. Oh yeah. Keep forgetting stuff like that they can actually just work out when they're huge, but I don't think you give them permission. And I go to the hospital again, so you have to be like, okay, you can come out now. Doctor. Look at Michael Jackson. No way. No way I didn't hear that, bro. Oh, the taser. Zap too. I got the zap. I need it so much. There's no service today. Right guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I should have said that at the start of the video, but who cares? Right, bye, have a lovely day or night or whatever time it is, or have a nice time in space, wherever you are, on Mars, the universe. Anyway, goodbye, have a lovely day or night.